Hi guys, my name is Alvin and today I'm standing at this iconic Dragon Playground in District 12 in the heart of Toa Payoh. And we are going to check out the newest MOP HDB just beside. Come, let's check it out. Welcome, come on in. We are currently at a 1001 square feet, 4-room flat corner unit on a very high floor and north-south facing. At your foyer area is a DB box which the owners have changed to a wood textured laminate. And also just beside your household shelter, it is chalk painted in black so that it matches the whole theme of the house. And moving on to the living room, currently you can see the owners have converted the use to a cozy corner. And there is this very huge L-shaped sofa. And just beside the sofa is your drinks countertop, where the owners store their wine, coffee machine, and also a collection of alcohol for the guests. And being on a superbly high floor, it boosts an unblocked view that stretches as far as the eyes can see. Just next to the living is the first common room, which the owners have demolished this wall and converted it into a top track, sliding glass door which is enclosable for the whole area. And in this room itself, you have this TV console that has been done up with plenty of storage space, and this also acts as an entertainment room. So next to the entertainment room is your dining area. It currently has a 6-seater configuration, but you can choose to have an 8-seater instead. Follow me to the kitchen. So over here, the owners choose to have an open concept kitchen, which is fully equipped, and this can act as your breakfast countertop where you can have your morning breakfast. Come, let's check out the common room. In this room, the owner uses it as the children's room, and there's currently no built-in, which you can use your imagination to renovate it to your taste. So just opposite the common bedroom is the common toilet, which the owners have installed a hotel look-alike frosted glass door with a stainless steel handle. Let's check it out. Come, let's check out the master toilet. So similarly like the common toilet, it comes with a frosted glass door. And inside you see a contrasting white marble look-alike wall tiles all throughout. So for the shower area, it also comes with a very beautiful stone look-alike wall tiles. Coming into your master bedroom, you have a floor-to-ceiling L-shaped wardrobe, and also you can see the owners actually have a king-size bed and with plenty of space beside. Okay, let's talk about the location. If you think about accessibility, by foot it will be 880 meters away from Toa Payoh MRT. If you are taking bus, there's a fully sheltered path to the bus stop with 3 or 4 services that bring you to the Toa Payoh MRT and bus interchange in just 3 stops. For drivers, you have immediate access to the nearest PIE expressway, or you can switch to CTE. For food lovers, you'll be spoiled for choice with 5 hawker centres within 1 km. For grocery shopping, check out NTUC FairPrice, 24-hour Sheng Siong, and Giant supermarkets with the nearest at 260 Kim Keat Avenue, just 230 meters away. As announced, the current Toa Payoh Stadium, Toa Payoh Sports Hall, Toa Payoh Swimming Complex and Toa Payoh Town Park will be revamped into Toa Payoh Integrated Development to be completed by 2030. For primary school within 1 km, we have 3 schools, namely First Toa Payoh Primary, King Cheng Primary and Pei Chin Public School, which is ranked 14 of 86 in mainstream primary school popularity in 2022. For primary schools with between 1 and 2 kilometers, we have a total of 7 schools, with CHIJ Primary Toa Payoh ranking 31st of 86 in popularity in 2022. Don't miss out on this fantastic opportunity to own a marvelously renovated move-in condition unit at the heart of Toa Payoh, and currently it is also the newest MOP unit in Toa Payoh. If you would like to have an exclusive viewing, do give me a call. My name is Alvin and I will see you soon.